Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss on the topic of you as you know the recent development happened. Donald Trump held a meeting with President Putin, and after that uh, uh, they decide uh, to meet in next meeting in uh, Russia, and Putin offer to visit in Russia to held the meeting, to held the next meeting. After that, Donald Trump also held a meeting with European leaders and the uh, President of Ukraine, Zelensky, uh, Vladimir Zelensky. Uh, I viewed I heard the news. Uh, uh, America imposed a tariff on India at uh, because of uh, because uh, because of uh, because of America want to stop the war between Russia and Ukraine. Uh, America claims if they put the more tariff on India, uh, uh, they more tariff on India, they convince Russia to negotiate with uh, Ukraine, and I think and first in first phase he put the 25% tariff on India. After that, they put a 25% additional tariff on India. Uh, but you can see uh, there are many countries buying Russian oils. Something around 40% of Russian oil buying China. But but uh, Donald Trump America not impose tariff on China, but impose tariff on India. How same is that? Uh, and America calls India is a strategic partner of America. I think this is not correct word used by the Americans. American president, because of uh, the Europe is also buying the Russian gas, even and America also increasing 20% uh, uh, 20% of trade with 20% of trade comparison to previous year. So you can see how you claim we are a strategic partner. Now India should take all step to protect our farmer and dairy sectors. Uh, I think India need more self-reliance and believe in our products, whatever we made, uh, and as you know, we uh, as you know we in as you know we and China, India is now uh, attracting the China and solve the border issue, and all three matters China is also agree to solve like border issue and rare earth metal issues, and one is more. Uh, this is good thing for India, but we have to understand we have not depend we won't want dependent to China because of China is only looking for interest, and this is a big threat for India because China is a booming economy. I can say China is now around $90 billion economy, and there is advancement of technology, and in many sectors they are in front of to India. So uh, we need to develop our own economic uh, we need to develop our own system to growing our economy faster than we expect. Now India is growing something around 5 to 10%. No, sorry, 6%. But we have to need develop. We have to need uh, to develop something around 10 to 11, 10 plus uh, 10 plus 10% plus. uh, we have, as you know, we are 1.4 billion pupils, and 1.4 billion people depends on 5 trillion, no 4 plus trillion economy, and we have to build our defense equipment and provide more jobs to the our Indians, and we have to invest in India, and we are dependent on digital platform of America. We are using the digital platform like Google, YouTube, X, and many more digital platforms which are made in America. So how much money they make from these digital platforms, and if the, these digital platforms made in India, we provide more jobs to our peoples, and that helps to grow our economy, uh, and our not only provide the employment of the people of India, but also helps to grow our economy, and our country's money inside the country is flowing. This is also matters because of if money is going outside of the country, this is also the threat for the country, because of there is the highest rate of employment in India. Uh, I think in this matter, Indian government should take all necessary steps uh, to uh, stop this kind of threat. And also I heard 15 August what our Prime Minister spoke, and our Prime Minister said our youngster should develop our digital platforms. This is, I think, a good step, the wake up call to our India. and there are more entrepreneurs like Gautam Adani. He also comment on this matter. This is call this is wake up call for India. Uh, I think challenge also come with the opportunity. I think we have to think we have to take uh, the also the recent news has come out. Uh, I look uh, I look in many websites. There are many layoffs happens because of the AI tool, AI, and AI helps to increase the efficiency of the working cultures and increase the productivity and trust. Uh, so whatever we have to done to save our jobs, uh, you know, the every technology has come with fear. So we have to take uh, one step. Uh, we have to take one step forward to it, and we have to upskills ourselves to learn new technology like AI. Uh, so uh, it's that so that we can save our jobs and the you heard about I heard about my parents when in 2000s the computer has come had come in 2000. All is said computers replace the jobs, but uh, what happens, you can see uh, computers increases the trust, productivity and efficiency, uh, and also created some new jobs. I think AI, yeah, is also the threat for us, but I think with the time of with passing the times, we upskills ourselves and learn this technology, and which helps to increase our work culture and productivity, efficiency, and many more things. And now we are going to some going to discuss on some topic like uh, our education system. uh, the our education system is the worst system, and in our education uh, our education system, all is focused on uh, just theory parts, but you know uh, this time is a technological era, and we have to focus on our skills and our also our communication skills, technical skills, and building the personality. uh, this is important for growing uh, growing the see the growing the future, uh, and believe growing the future, and we have to believe on our homegrown technology. Without belief, it will not happen anything. And and I can see with I can see previous to previous 2 or 3 years back, uh, the many sectors like space technology and nuclear in nuclear sectors is closed, but and it also is the uh, uh, defense sector, but after the Modi government has come, this Modi government's opened the all uh, necessary sector to for the private sector. Uh, So uh, now okay. Now I am also uh, discuss on some topics like the ongoing uh,